Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to an episode of Azkend, onto another survival mode, onto the Avalanche. This time, Talisman of Avalanche. So this one is again kind of just a aiming one, not really aiming, but at the spot that you want it to go, basically. You basically only want 4, and it will kill off the whole line. I want a long one here because I actually want to get fucking zapped. You gotta be kidding me! It didn't kill this? What is that? It didn't kill the spot that it needs to kill. But the good thing about this thing is, as soon as it goes through, it just solves the whole map. Just like that, it solves the whole row column downs. Wow. Such an easy one there. This just solves the whole thing. See, the whole thing just turns. There we go. Now I try to. Oh, that's just a simple avalanche. This will kill everything there. There we go. Unfortunate, but the thing is, for this avalanche, it only actually do an avalanche on the column that actually has an avalanche tile. If I actually connect a wild tile or something else afterwards, it won't have an avalanche on that row. It's kind of lame actually, but I do understand why they do it that way. But it's not at the top over there, so it's a little lame. That was not good because it's just at the bottom. There we go. Avalanche tile here. Didn't get it. Didn't get it. There we go. Got it. There's the whole thing gone. Nope. This way. Nope, 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 nope. There. Let's just go a long one to clear that one. Oh, you gotta be always put it at the worst spot ever. Unfortunately, that didn't have the tile over there. There we go. There we go. That's how you effectively use an avalanche. Let's just get that thing out of the way real fast. Try to just get this straight down. There we go. It's satisfying when you see actually something just go straight down like that. This is frustrating because all of the stuff is on the right side over here, but I can't reach it. There's one small one right there, that's totally fine. You gotta be kidding me. It didn't make it over there. Damn. Damn, this is bad. Wait, where are the stuff? That's useless because it doesn't clear the things I need you to clear. I need you to clear this side. But there's nothing over here. What the hell? Come on, game. I need you to work with me here, game. There's one finally, and there you go. That helped. Oh, that's not enough! Damn it! I just matched 3 of them. I didn't match 5 or 4 or more. This is helpful. Perfect! Some up there, that should help you kill it. Perfect. Oh, hey! Whatever. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now just drop this thing to the bottom. Which that is basically killed. Not there yet. That will kill it. Perfect! 100 reach. Now we head on to the other sections where we just try to survive as long as possible. That's in the middle. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's everything. That's soft. The avalanche, that's why it's good. When you actually have a roll like that, it just kills everything. It just directly leads you to victory for normal levels. Because this is not a normal level, so that's why I have to keep going afterwards, so... Oh. Damn, I have 4. Gonna have to waste that one. There we go, that's everything, and now we just try to get this thing to the bottom. Oh, that's soft already. That's why I like the avalanche. That's how I like it. Not really the best to use because always it's the best only when it's actually at the very top. It's like at the bottom is kind of useless because it does not really cover a whole lot. But like that is useful, you see. Drop that down and make me solve that. There we go. There we go. So just destroying this thing so far. Definitely aim a little bit higher for this one because it's a very useful one. There we go. There we go. Hang on. Oh, what? There we go. There we go. This is definitely getting a little bit hectic, but that's already soft right there, so... That's how useful this avalanche is. Oh, that's a useless one? Okay. Sorry about that message. Okay, I just need to kill these. Because afterwards, basically solved. Still doing alright. I try to get one more done because the clock is almost there. Clock is almost up. There you go, got one more. But that's the last one I can do. Can't do anymore. It goes as fast as I can't go anymore. Oh, 180%. That's pretty good actually already. Alright, so next time guys, I will see you for chains. Peace!